Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get Shein coupons or vouchers. Open the Shein, which is in your app, and then you will get some vouchers for free. Click on check vouchers, and then you can see that there are a lot of vouchers we can apply. Let's suppose I want to apply the voucher of like flash sale. I will go to flash sale and then I'll click on it. And I will go to an item and select it. And if I add it to a cart, you can see that it's written only $204 remaining. So you can do this and get discount and get your products in a more discounted price. So this is how you apply coupons and get coupons in Shein. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.